Our planet needs energy, lots of it. Every day our demand for power grows, fueling our homes, industries and technologies. But our current sources? Not so sustainable. The reliance on fossil fuels is taking a toll on our environment. Fossil fuels pollute our atmosphere. They warm our planet. The carbon emissions are leading to climate change, affecting ecosystems and weather patterns. Renewable sources like solar and wind are fantastic. They harness the natural elements to generate power without pollution. But they're not enough on their own. Their intermittent nature means we need a more reliable solution. We need a new hero. A breakthrough that can provide consistent, clean energy. A new source of energy, one that can meet our growing demands without harming the planet. One that's clean, safe and plentiful. Enter thorium. This isn't science fiction, it's a real viable option. This is about harnessing the power of the atom. Thorium offers a way to generate nuclear energy with less waste and greater safety, but not in the way you might think. Unlike traditional uranium reactors, thorium reactors are designed to be inherently safer. Thorium represents a different path for nuclear energy, a safer, cleaner path. One that could revolutionize how we think about power. A path that could power our civilization for millennia to come. Imagine cities illuminated by clean, sustainable energy. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of thorium. Discover how this element could be the key to solving our cosmic energy crisis. Thorium is an element. It's a silvery metal that's slightly radioactive and has been known to scientists for over a century. Yet it remains largely underappreciated in the world of nuclear science. It's found in rocks and soil all over the planet. From the sands of deserts to the depths of the ocean floor, thorium is surprisingly abundant. It's even more common than uranium. In fact, it's about 3 to 4 times more plentiful, making it a potential game changer for future energy needs. You know, the stuff in traditional nuclear reactors. But thorium is different. It's not directly fissile. Unlike uranium-235, which can sustain a chain reaction, thorium needs a bit of help. That means it can't sustain a chain reaction on its own. This characteristic makes it inherently safer, reducing the risk of runaway reactions. And that's a good thing. Safety is paramount when dealing with nuclear materials, and thorium's properties offer a significant advantage. Thorium needs a little kick to get going. We introduce neutrons to start the process. We use neutrons to transform thorium into uranium-233. This transformation is key to unlocking thorium's potential. This new form of uranium is what we use as fuel. Uranium-233 is highly efficient and can sustain a controlled chain reaction. The beauty? This process is much more controlled. It allows for a steady and manageable release of energy. It's like comparing a campfire to a candle. Both provide light and heat, but one is much easier to manage. Both provide light and heat, but one is much easier to manage. Thorium's potential for safer, more efficient energy could be the key to a sustainable future. Safety is paramount when it comes to nuclear power, and thorium shines in this department. Remember that kick thorium needs? If we remove it, the chain reaction stops. It's inherently safer than traditional reactors. Those rely on a delicate balance to keep things in check. Another bonus, thorium produces far less radioactive waste. The waste it does produce decays much faster. We're talking hundreds of years instead of thousands. This significantly reduces the burden of long-term storage. Thorium offers a cleaner, safer approach to nuclear energy. Section 4. Thorium, an abundance of energy. Now here's the exciting part. Thorium is incredibly abundant. It's estimated that we have enough thorium to power our planet for thousands of years. That's right, millennia. Imagine a future where energy scarcity is just a distant memory. Thorium reactors also produce high energy output. A small amount of thorium can generate a tremendous amount of power. This means less mining, less environmental impact, and more energy for everyone. It's the epitome of sustainable energy production. Section 5. The future is thorium. We're on the cusp of a new energy era, one that promises to revolutionize the way we think about power and sustainability. Researchers around the world are developing thorium-based reactor designs which are safer and more efficient than traditional nuclear reactors. China, India, and the United States are leading the charge, investing heavily in this groundbreaking technology. Pilot projects are already underway, paving the way for a thorium-powered future that could transform our energy landscape. Imagine a future with abundant, clean energy, where our cities are powered by sustainable sources. Imagine a world free from the constraints of fossil fuels, where pollution is a thing of the past. This is the promise of thorium, a rare earth element with the potential to change everything. It's a future worth striving for, a vision of a cleaner, greener planet. A future where humanity can continue to explore, innovate and reach for the stars, unburdened by energy limitations. And it all starts with a humble element called thorium, the key to unlocking a new era of energy.